Okay, maybe we can start now. First of all, I want to say welcome all of you. I am very pleased to see you here. Also, I'm very pleased to see your registration for this hackathon and to your interest for this hackathon, actually. My name is Burak. I am the CTO of the Ant Media, and this is the fifth hackathon we have organized in Ant Media. Firstly, I want to mention our motivation while creating such hackathons. As I said, this is the fifth hackathon. With these hackathons, actually, one of our motivation, maybe the first motivation, is making new friends. We had 4 different hackathons, and we had lots of the friends from these hackathons. For example, I saw Tandu was here in this meeting. I don't know if Balaj or Rahul joined, but they also joined this events previously, and they got some awards. And this is a this is a photo from our face-to-face meeting in Marmaris. And in this photo, you can see Ant Media team and also some attendees from the previous hackathons. As I said, making new friends is one of our goal with these hackathons. Also, we want to do something good, something useful, interesting, futuristic. We want to have such thing. So we arrange a hackathon for the AI. It is the top trend topic in the IT industry, you know, and we want to merge the AI with the media streaming. And lastly, of course, for fun. In our hackathons, we have lots of fun together. We love, we enjoyed. So in this hackathon, I'm sure that we will have such a funny activities here. The last thing to rise together. This is some motto from Ant Media. We want to create such an ecosystem that all people involved that ecosystem will rise together. So you can see this picture. This is our how we stand together and we jump, we rise together. Maybe next event in our face-to-face organization, we will see someone from this hackathon. So this is just not winning the hackathon, but winning the hearts, being friends. So I believe that we will do this in this hackathon again. What we will do in this hackathon, we will create AI projects, but on media streaming. We don't have any restriction or limits on technology that you used, on language, on library that you use, model. There is no such a restriction. The only restriction is it should be related with media streaming. So some possible topics are listed here. You can create some generative AI projects for media streaming. You can integrate AR with media streaming. You can create some detection or recognition projects.
Burak, you are on mute.
Okay, from when I was mute?
Just for 2 or 3 seconds. Again, you are on mute.
I think someone is muting me. Okay, now I am audible, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Or you can create such a project as listed here, or you can create any AI project. It may be not listed here. The boundary is your imagination. You can create anything that useful, that futuristic, innovative in streaming with AI. This is the schedule for this hackathon. We have 1 month period. Now we are doing our hackathon kickoff meeting, and we have 1 month period to finalize our project and present them and for the award ceremony. We have 2 critical dates here for proposal submission and the project submission. I will pass through each item one by one, so I don't want to spend more time here. Let's continue with the next slide. We will have some proposal submission. You created your teams, you registered to hackathon, but you don't mention about your project so far, and you have time till the 10th of February. At that date, we are expecting your proposal related to your project. This proposal will contain title of the project, the description. It may be 1 or 2 paragraphs. You can tell which problem you want to solve or which feature that you introduce to the world. Okay, it should be a short 1-2 paragraph description, and you will tell which technology you are using, in which language you are writing your source code, what libraries you are using. You can give some information like that in this proposal. By the way, the registration will be opened till this date. So if you know someone who hasn't registered yet, then you can inform them and you can register. So our registration period will be opened till this date. From that date, we will not accept new registration, new projects. But till then, you have some time. Please invite your friends. As I said, this is related to some fun, creating some good things all together. The next step, in this period, in this 1 month period, you will develop your projects, and at 25th of February, we will expect your project submission. This project submission will contain a 3-minute video in which you state your team name, the project title, and you will explain your project, what it does, and also you will demonstrate how it works. Okay, in this video, the judge will see that. You can see some example video here. We will share this slide in YouTube. Also, we will share the recording from this meeting. You will see the video here, sample video. I don't want to spend time here. In the project submission, we will see executables for your project and source code or repository link or something that prove you created that project. Okay, maybe source code or repository link, maybe it's still hidden private. We will decide this all together, but we need to know you created that project. And at the end, we will have some demo presentation and judging. We have 4 days from 25th to 28th of February to make our presentations. This duration may be shortened or shortened according to the number of the projects. I will tell the numbers. We will book some meetings for presentations. We will see how many projects we will have, and we may change this date a bit. In these demonstrations, you will share your 3-minute video from your screen. First, you will show it, and you will have some presentation. You will run your program. At that time, the time limit may be limited from 5 to 10 minutes. We will decide then all together again. And judge may ask you run your project, ask something on your project while it's running. So you should run it at the background. while you're presenting your 3 minutes video. Okay, so each presentation will take from 5 to 10 minutes, and while you present your presentation, judge will take notes, and they have some criteria. So I will go to the next slide. We will have some AI expert judge members. We will announce them to you, and they will have some criteria for your project. For example, your project definition and its relevance to the media streaming is one criteria. It should be related to the media streaming. The second thing, it should be innovative, creativity. This is some criteria for the judge. It absolutely use the AI. The AI usage is important criteria. To complete this, it should run, it should do its work. And performance, since the media streaming is a very fast progress, the stream is ongoing every time, it should be performant to handle the FPS values or the data transmission speed. After judging the project, the judge will decide the winners, and the winners will be announced at 28th of the February, and we will have an award ceremony. There will be a very friendly competition from our previous hackathons. As I said, we had lots of fun. They was very friendly. We made some new friends, as I said, from those. So I believe that we will have a new one with you. Just before the meeting, when I checked, there was 91 responses to the form, registration form, and there was 73 teams organized. As we will make it open till 10 February, I believe that these numbers will be increased more. At the end, the first team will get $5,000, and the second 3,000, and the third team will get $2,000. We have totally $10,000 prize pool, and we will see who will win all together. It is not only thing that you can win, actually. You have some more opportunity with this hackathon. We have some marketplace. In that marketplace, we listed your projects and we promote them to Antimedia server users. For example, as you see that this is our marketplace page. We saw the ChemOS. ChemOS is created by Tamdu. I saw that he is here. He can sell his product from our marketplace to Antimedia server users. So we are something like partner all together. So the award is not only thing that you will win. We have created a good ecosystem all together, and we can rise together. Now, this is our short presentation. Now we can continue with Q&A session. Before the Q&A session, let me show one thing, then we will continue with the Q&A. You can reach us throughout this hackathon period from our contact@antimedia.io email address, and we will have a hackathon Slack channel that we will invite all of you in that channel. We can discuss the things there. Our team will be there to answer your questions, to discuss something. From now on, we are friends, actually. We can discuss anything with you. So let's continue with the Q&A. I will stop my sharing and I will return to the meet with you. You can write questions into the chat box, or you can ask verbally, Yes.
Hi, Burak. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So Kanika this side from India. So it's my first time I'm participating in such a hackathon. The only question which is not clear to me is Ant Media stream that will be given by Ant Media itself. You are going to release some streams, or we have to take a decision at our own that we can use any stream we want?
Thank you for these questions, because these questions will clarify something missing in my presentation. In our previous hackathons, we wanted to attend this to create something on top of Antimedia. But in this hackathon, there is not such a limitation. You can get some VOD file, you can get some MP4 file, and you can run your project on that, okay? So it does not have to be on Antimedia server stream. Here,
Okay.
we want to see the project actually. So how you feel comfortable, then you can go in this way.
Okay, so in that case, I'm free to choose any kind of a video, any kind of content in that video, and run my use case on top of it.
Yes,
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Burak. Thanks for answering my question.
I thank you because we could clarify something with this question. Okay, another question you can write to chat box or you can ask. As I said, we will have a Slack channel that you can ask your questions there. Okay, David, I think you have some question.
Hello, hello.
Hello,
Uh,
David.
just one question. Are there any official evaluation criteria?
We will have some evaluation criteria that I have shared in the Slack. And as I said, we will form a AI expert judge. So they may have some new criteria that they will announce to you. But for now, let me show the criteria again. Do you get my screen? These are the main criteria that we are expecting. Project relevance, it should be related to the antimedia, not antimedia, the media streaming. It should be innovative, creative thing. Or absolutely, it should use AI. It should be a complete project. And performance efficiency is another criteria for us because this is media streaming, related to the real-time streaming actually. As I said, we will form a judge from the experts in AI. So they may have some sub-criteria on top of these, and we can announce them when the judge decides their criteria.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your question.
Yes, Burak, I have one more question. So since I was not having all the information while I was registering, so just for clarity, while registration, I may have picked the Gen AI that I will be submitting some solution using Gen AI techniques. But now, after understanding that I am free to choose any streaming, any content, is it possible for me to change the topic on the fly, or I have to do the submission on Gen AI only?
Yeah, as I said, till the 10th of the February, you can change your project because we are expecting your project proposal at 10th of the February. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, Burak. Thanks.
There is a question here. Can anyone tell me how I can form a team? Okay, to form a team, normally you can form your team with your friends and you can register them. You can mention the name of the team there and you formed a team. If you don't have any friends to form a team, you will be invited to the Slack channel and you can find someone to form a team there.
So Burak, Jones this side from India.
Yes,
Hey,
George.
everyone. So what I want to ask was, you mentioned executables on the presentation. So is it something that like we can host anything in our own server and then demo it on the presentation day, or the executables should be submitted to you?
Yeah, executables should be submitted to us. I'm not sure about the source code, but executables should be submitted because maybe a judge wants to run it on their end.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
So source code may be private. So we haven't decided yet. Maybe we can decide all together in the Slack channel about the source code. We need to have some evidence related to that executable is created by you. Okay. But I can understand that you may keep your code private. So we will find a way together.
Sure, Burak. Thank you.
Thank you. A question in the chat box: for registration, we should just fill the Google form, right? Yes, you have already registered. Smile. Okay. Now the next step, we will create the Slack channel. Okay, we will discuss there. For you, the next step is determine your project, create your proposal. You have time till the 10th of the February. Also, personally, I want you some favor. Maybe you can ask your friends to join the hackathon. They will have time to 10th of the February. Let's make a big hackathon, because from my experience from the previous hackathons, the presentation and demonstrations are very, very, very funny. We have someone here who joined previously that hackathons. You will see that also. So let's make it crowded.
Burak,
Yes.
how can everyone be invited in Slack channel? Like, would they have to be, looking at their email address that they will receive Slack invitation?
We have email addresses for everyone. Maybe we can announce to the email addresses about our Slack channel again, then they can join.
Okay.
Smile, you have another question. Can you explain the process to make and send the proposal? Okay, we will write this in Slack channel. You will be informed before the 10th of February. Most probably you will send with email. You can send it to the contact email, or we can create another email address like hackathon@antmedia.io, something like that. You will send there. We will inform you. Another question? If we don't have any questions, we can close the meeting. I thank you. Today is Sunday and you are here. I'm very pleased to see you, meet you. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Burak. Thank you for amazing introduction about the hackathon. So this introduction has really helped us to get a bit enthusiastic about the job, about the streaming, and how we can really make some innovative deliverable out of it. So thanks once again.
Thank you. I think we have one last questions. Again, related to creating team. If you send the team name into the Google form, okay, you are a team. Then team names are the same for two registered attendee. We assume that they are team. We will announce the team in the Slack channel. If you want to form a team, you can also do that. we have time to do that. Okay, thank you. Have a good Sunday.